Hello, Miss Berg.
Hello, Mrs. Fuzzy. Happy Thursday afternoon.
Yes, it's October. The leaves are peaking. We made it through week 3 and we're doing well.
Yeah, things are going great.
Yes. So we're going to start with the pledge, and Miss Zabracki and her Group A students helped us out this week with timber, and you were there.
I was.
And so now you're all going to stand, and we're going to have them lead us.
Social distance, mask up, fold in half. See my face. Okay. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Did you know that Miss Zabraki really persevered during that Pledge of Allegiance?
She did. Tell me more, though.
Well, when she was pledging and after she took her mask off, I believe a large bumblebee was in her space. However, she didn't scream, she didn't run, she stayed with her class, and the bee also cooperated and did not sting her. So that was a high five to the bee as well.
Yes, it was awesome and excellent perseverance in a difficult situation. All right, so we have some birthdays that happened this week and will this weekend, so we want to make sure we celebrate those people. Monday, Catherine from Mr. Sowald's class and Johnny from Miss Brecky's class had a birthday.
Tuesday, Sawyer from Miss Lee's class, Maitreyi from Mrs. Schmidt's class, and Raul from Mr. Wagner's class had a birthday.
Wednesday, Elena from Miss Hewitt's class and Lily from Miss Hayes' class.
And today, October 1st, Vabnov from Mrs. Lee's class, Mahinka from Mrs. Baus's class, Sarah from Mrs. Ward Elser's class, and Alexis from Mrs. Hewitt's class had a birthday.
That was a good day. And then for you, it's Friday, October 2nd. Today, Bo from Miss Pilla's class, and Lillian from Miss Carlson's class, and Aaron from Miss Robley's class all have birthdays.
Happy birthday, everyone. Oh, I missed it. Saturday, Owen C. from Mr. Mackin's class and Grayson from Mrs. Ashenfelter's class have a birthday.
Happy birthday, everyone.
Yes, enjoy. Have some cake. Okay.
So we're going to start with lunch next week. Monday and Tuesday, you will have a choice of French toast, chicken sausage links, tri-tater potatoes, and fresh veggies and fruit. Choice 2 is the bento box with the whole grain bagel, a yogurt cup, mozzarella string cheese, veggies, and fruit.
And then on Wednesday and Thursday, choice 1 is homemade mac and cheese with steamed broccoli, fresh vegetables, fruit, and a triple berry Johnny Pop. I might get that one. That sounds amazing. Or a turkey deli sandwich, a bag snack, fresh veggies, fresh fruit choice, and again, the triple berry Johnny Pop.
Super I forgot fun. The Y in Johnny. Oh well, I found an error.
That's okay.
All right, Pack Pride. We're going to start learning, and some of you, it's going to be relearning and digging into what these letters mean. Perseverance, Pack. We talked about that already, but pushing through challenges and showing self-control, just like Miss Zabracki did.
Yes.
And then A, accountability, be a great leader, follow the right person, encourage others to make good choices. C, we're living in a community.
We're safe, we're inclusive, and we're respectful. And K, kindness, we show compassion and empathy.
Right. So for the week of October 5th, we're going to focus in on perseverance. And we're going to really think about what does perseverance look like, feel like, and sound like to me or to you. And think about when you are persevering. And what is that? What is that?
I think sometimes it's important, how I would persevere if I was a student at Northwoods, would be thinking about those distance days, either if I'm a hybrid student and I'm at home on a certain day, or if I'm a distance student and it's not the day I have all day of direct instruction with my teacher, knowing that I still have assignments to complete and work to do, and keeping up with my work even though it's at home is something that's important to persevere in.
Yeah, and this week I saw fourth graders were learning about stamina in their reading, which is also perseverance.
Mm-hmm.
So, really pushing through and becoming a good, confident, strong reader by persevering through your reading and getting into your books.
And sometimes it just takes practice. We're not born good at persevering, I don't think, always. We have to practice that muscle.
Right.
Do you agree?
I completely agree.
Okay.
All right.
What else do we have? Oh, coming soon, the Hustle and Howl will happen October 12th and 13th, Monday and Tuesday. That's a little shift in we were going to do it next week, but for a variety of reasons, we decided to be flexible and move it to the following week.
Yep.
We also have conferences that week, parent-teacher conferences on the 13th and 14th, and then students do not have school on October 14th, 15th, or 16th. Your teachers will be at MEA on MEA break, and we will have conferences on the 14th. So it's a short student week next week, the following week.
The following week, yeah. And that's what we know. So we hope you have a great weekend. Here's a quote I found about perseverance. I might not be there yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday. So continue to practice, persevere, have fun, enjoy the fall weather, and we'll see you on Monday or Tuesday or virtually in Zoom.
Let's howl, Mrs. Fuzzy, because I think you need to practice that in your perseverance, girls. Let's
Okay.
go.
Ow!
Make it a great day.